Did your videos not get views? Did your YouTube channel grow not fair? You make very good videos, but still there are no views. In today's video, we are going to solve the problem. Why are there no views even after making a good video? If you have come to our channel before, then subscribe the channel and give a lovely comment to the video. So let's start. 90% of the chances of a video going viral is due to the thumbnail. To make thumbnails, one understands the need for a PC. Then you are wrong. Only mobile is enough to make thumbnail, my brother. To create a thumbnail, it is very important to have 3 things. 1. Clarity. 2. Color grading. 3. Short text. Thumbnail, it is very important to have clarity. If your thumbnails are not clear, then the audience will not watch your videos. Like a thumbnail, it needs to be clear. Similarly, it is necessary to have color grading in the thumbnail. Writing short text in thumbnail attracts the audience. And with these 3 qualities, your video will get a lot of views. Thank you.